Welcome to the ultimate guide on YouTube channel, SEO and monetization. Get ready to transform your channel into a money-making machine. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to make your YouTube channel not just visible, but also profitable. First things first, let's lay the groundwork for a channel that search engines will love. Start by identifying your niche and the keywords that will define your content. This is crucial for attracting the right audience. Your channel name and description are prime real estate for SEO. Make them count with relevant keywords. Utilize a mix of broad and specific tags, and always choose the most accurate category to boost your discoverability. Now that your channel is set up, let's talk about creating content that ranks. Apply keyword research to your video topics. This ensures you're creating content people are actively searching for. Your video titles and descriptions are your first impression. Make them irresistible and rich with keywords. Thumbnails grab attention, and end screens keep viewers engaged. Optimize both for maximum impact and subscriptions. Building a community is key to long-term success. Let's explore how to promote and engage effectively. Now for the exciting part, turning your passion into profit. First, you need to meet YouTube's requirements. Familiarize yourself with the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, the gateway to monetizing your channel. You'll need to reach specific thresholds for subscribers and watch time. Consistency is your friend here. Always adhere to YouTube's community guidelines. Playing by the rules ensures your channel remains in good standing. Once you meet the requirements, it's time to apply for monetization. We'll guide you through each step. Congratulations, your channel is monetized. Now let's explore the various ways you can earn. AdSense is your primary income stream through ads. We'll show you how to set it up and manage your earnings. Beyond ads, explore channel memberships, super chat, and even your own merchandise to diversify your income. With consistent effort and creativity, your YouTube channel can become a thriving source of income. Keep creating.